red, and I think I still have toothpaste on my face. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing 7 life hacks that you need to know. And these life hacks have seriously just changed my life. I use these every single day, and if you don't know them, you need to know them. So just carry on watching and you'll find out what they are. We all know the struggle of having a pimple on your face and then you squeeze it and then it goes all red and then you just don't know what to do. So this is a life hack to fix that. So for this life hack, all you need is eye drops and earbud or cotton wool, and then you just apply some of the eye drops to the earbud, and then you just apply it to the area of your face that is red. And this is seriously magic. It just magically takes away the redness, which is so cool and amazing. So you should definitely try this one out. And when I heard about this, I was like, what? That is so cool. So all you have to do is you just take one of the oil blotting sheets, you just rub it on your hair, and it just takes away all the oil. And this life hack has saved me so many times when I haven't had dry shampoo, and you can just use oil blotting sheets and it works exactly the same. So yeah. Have you ever had such a beautiful color eyeshadow and you're like, oh my goodness, I wish I could find this color as a lipstick, but you just can't find it anywhere? So I'm going to show you a quick life hack on how you can turn any eyeshadow into a lipstick. The first step is you take some Vaseline and you just apply some to your lips. Step is you just take any eyeshadow you like. So I'm going to be using this gold color over here, and then you just apply that to your lips with an eyeshadow brush. And it is as easy as that to get a lipstick out of your eyeshadow. So I know my lip is more of a dark metallic kind of color, but I think it's kind of cool. So I'm just going to be taking this very metallic kind of lipstick, and all you have to do is you just apply some on your brush, and then you can use it as an eyeshadow. I'll show you over here the pigment. You can see it kind of comes off as a cream eyeshadow, and this works. Trust me, try it out. All you need is foundation and moisturizer. So you're just gonna take your foundation and apply a pump of that. Then you take your moisturizer and you apply some of that as well. Then you can just either take your finger or a brush and you just mix it together. Now you have your own DIY BB cream, and now you can just take it and apply it to your face as you would any normal BB cream. This life hack is using toothpaste as a lip mask. So if you ever have dry, very chapped lips and you need some sort of lip mask but you don't have any, all you have to do is take your toothpaste and you just apply some on your finger like that, and then you just apply it straight to your lips. You just let it sit on your lips for about 15 seconds and then you just wash it off. And this will just leave your lips feeling nice and smooth, and it kind of gives them a little bit of a tingly feeling, but the feeling is good, and now my lips are so smooth. And you just take a little bit of toothpaste on your finger, like so, and apply it to the spot. I like to just sleep with it on overnight, and it just like dries really quickly, and in the morning you just wash it off, and it seriously like reduces the size of the pimple so much. So definitely try this life hack out because I use it all the time. So those are all the life hacks. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And also, can you comment down below like any video ideas you have? That would be cool. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.